I'll introduce a quick and easy way to make chashu pork, ramen eggs, which are called Ajitama or Nitamago, and seasoned bamboo shoots, which are called Memma or Shinachiku, within 30 to 40 minutes. Let's make soft boiled eggs first. Poke a hole in a rounded end of the eggshell using a thumbtack or similar object. Careful not to do it on the pointed end of the eggshell. Bring water to a boil and add salt and vinegar. Salt has the effect of firming up the egg white, while vinegar helps to soften the eggshell. Gently place the eggs into the pot to prevent them from cracking. Then boil them for 7 minutes. Stir gently to prevent the yolks from settling to one side. After 7 minutes, drain the water and cool them in cold water. Placing them suddenly in cold water causes them to contract, creating gaps between the shell and egg, making them easier to peel. Making small cracks in the eggshell makes them even easier to peel. Peel a clove of garlic and smash it. It's better to do this while the eggs are boiling. Slice ginger thinly. Make several holes on the pork with a fork. Rub salt into the pork. Leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wipe off any moisture from the pork. Add a little oil to the frying pan. Sear all sides of the meat evenly over medium heat. Add the garlic, ginger, and the green onion to the pan. Steam cook over low heat for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make seasoning. Add soy sauce, sake, mirin, sugar, and water. Flip the pork 2 to 3 times while steam cooking it. My lid was too small, so I covered it with aluminum foil. After 20 minutes, turn the heat off and remove the green onion, ginger, and garlic from the frying pan. Then wipe off the excess oil from the pork and frying pan. Heat the seasoning over medium heat. When the seasoning comes to a boil, add the meat. Coat the pork with the sauce. Once the sauce has reduced slightly, add the boiled eggs and coat eggs with sauce over low heat. If you want to cook the eggs a bit more, use medium heat. Coat them with the sauce. Cover them with kitchen paper soaked with seasoning. The typical toppings for ramen often takes time to prepare, such as simmering or overnight marination, requiring advanced planning. It's a convenient way for when you are in a bit of hurry. These are classic toppings that go well with any type of ramen. In Japan, bamboo shoots are in season from March to May, but since I couldn't get fresh ones today, I'm using pre-boiled one. First of all, rinse the bamboo shoots with water and wipe off any moisture from it. Cut it into top and lower portions. Since the top portion is softer, slice it into 3 to 5 mm thin pieces. Since the lower portion is firmer, slice it into 2 to 3 mm thin pieces. Place a 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, add the bamboo shoot to the pan and saute it. Once the oil has coated everything evenly, add seasoning. Add half tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of mirin, a quarter teaspoon of chicken soup stock, a half teaspoon of sugar, and 50 ml of water. Once the seasoning has melted, cover the bamboo shoot with the drop lid. Simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the seasoning has reduced. Seasoned bamboo shoots not only pair well with ramen, but also with rice as a side dish or even with beer as a snack.